So in this video, you'll learn how to change the keyboard size on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So if you want to make the keyboard of your phone bigger or smaller, this is what you need to do. Start by opening the Settings app on your phone, and then you want to navigate to General Management, and then from here, select Samsung Keyboard Settings. Next, look for Keyboard Size and Transparency right here and select it. And then you should see a copy of your keyboard with handles that you can use to increase or decrease the size of the keyboard. So you can use this handle at the top or at the bottom to just decrease the size of the keyboard to whatever it is that you would like. You can even make it as big as possible or as small as possible. It's completely up to you. You can even choose to use the handles on the side to shrink the handle like this, to shrink the keyboard like that, and then center it somewhere like there so that you can get the perfect keyboard that you would prefer to use. And then once you're happy with how your keyboard looks like, remember to tap on Done to save and apply the changes. And so now whenever you use your keyboard on your A36, you should see your brand new keyboard size available for you to use. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.